Hello, YouTube. What's going on, family? All right, Yancy here. Thank you for joining me. So today, as you can see by the title, I am doing a bag unboxing. All right, so this bag I've actually had for a while, you guys. It's just taken me forever just to kind of share it with you because so much has been going on. And now as I speak right now, the kids are back in school. Yes, I can't believe I said that because I feel like a few weeks ago they just got out of school, but the kids are back in school. It's literally been an ordeal leading up to school with like the pandemic and masks and everything like that. So, we just kind of did what we felt was best for the kids. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. All right. But just trying to keep everybody safe and healthy, and hopefully you guys are out there being safe and healthy as well. So happy Sunday. I am uploading today. Once again, I did not get to the time that I wanted to because I did go ahead and look at completely the poll that we took or whatever, you guys. And Monday and Sundays were really neck and neck. I'm talking about like literally the same percentage, but I want to say Monday beat out initially, but just kind of going over it and looking at it, Sunday actually beat out. So you guys wanted uploads Sunday at 12 p.m. Although this one is not going up at 12 p.m., I will, here on out, upload at 12 on Sundays, all right? And then I'm going to incorporate more videos, which is going to be on Tuesdays. And that's going to be all about home decor, all about DIYs, all about clean with me, all about everything that I'm going to start doing with the house, all right? So I'm kind of doing like a little separation thing for you guys. That way everything is just kind of like not mixed in there and you don't even know what's going on, all right? So now Sundays and Tuesdays are going to be my upload days, and Sundays are going to be luxury and lifestyle and everything in between, bag reviews, bag unboxings, styling videos, so on and so forth, clothing hauls, what have you. And then Tuesdays are actually going to be everything home decor, DIY, and more, all right? So if that appeals to you, if you're interested in that, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I love all the new people. I want to add you to the wheel. All right. So go ahead and subscribe. And then after you subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, each and every single time I upload, you guys, you do not miss an upload. I don't miss you. You don't miss me. And we're here. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Again, like I said, it is an unboxing and it's on this cutie. Let's go. So, as you saw by the title, it is a Tory Burch unboxing, you guys. Yes, it is a smaller little package, but that's okay because this little thing right here packs a big punch, all right? So, like I said, I've had this for a minute. It is my first time unboxing it with you guys because it's so much. There's been so much going on, but that's okay because she's new to you. All right, so I'm glad I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I want to go ahead and start using her right away because she's really cute. I'm not going to talk too long. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this. Well, let me say this. This has been on my wish list forever, like literally forever. I did see Officially Coco, which she's on YouTube as well. Go ahead and follow her. She's amazing. I love her. She's had this for a while. She's unboxed this on her channel. And I love the color that she has. I have been wanting this particular color for so long, and I've been waiting for it to go on sale for so long, and it finally went on sale. And then I got additional money off because I used my cash reward card. All right. So if you have a credit card that gives you cash rewards, or they are, kind of like in sync with retailers and they give you cash back, definitely use it because it helps. All right. So either which way, let's get into this. I love the packaging of Tory Burch. I love the Velcro. It's just so lush. I love it. So here is the bag. It comes with a dust bag. I love the dust bag because I feel like it's very, very well made. And I just love the detail of the bag itself. I love the little Tory Burch emblem on here with the drawstring. It's really cute. So either which way, you guys, here she is. Da, 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 da. All right, so if you're not aware, if you do not know what this beauty is, this is the Tory Burch Soft Fleming Clutch. All right. Yes, I refer to it as a bag because everything in my collection, I refer to it as a bag. Even if it's a wristlet, it's a bag to me because if I can rock it as a bag and use it as a bag, it's a bag. All right. So either which way, this cute little clutch right here is definitely a going out bag, girls night, date night, what have you, just on the go sometimes, even if you just want to just carry it and go and get up and leave and that's it. But I love everything about this bag. You have this snap closure, which is right here. If you can kind of see that, all you do is push it right there, boom, and it opens. So cute. So cute. Okay, so you guys, retail for this is actually $3.98. It's on sale right now for $1.99. I got an additional, I would say about 5 to almost 10% back on my card. So I got about like $15 and some change. So really, this bag I bought for about 60% off. You cannot go wrong. All right. So yes, I'm happy with the purchase. I'm glad I waited. Right now, honestly, on the Tory Burch website, it's only one left, you guys, and it's actually in this color. This particular bag comes in 3 colors, you guys. It's going to be this color, which is tiramisu. It's going to be the red color, and it's actually going to be the black color. So black, red, and tiramisu. I don't think they have any more black, any more red, and there's only one left of this tiramisu color. All right. So again, you guys, this bag is beautiful. The material is literally top notch. Everything about this, the stitching, you guys, look at that, the lambskin material. This bag is so cute. The quality of the bag, the leather, the interior. You guys, do not sleep on Tory Burch. Literally, I told you guys, Kate Spade is my #1. Tory Burch follows behind that, and then of course everything else after that, the Louis Vuitton. So I love all styles. I love all brands. I love all designers. So listen, if the bag is speaking to me and I'm speaking to it, it's coming in the collection. All right. So either which way, you guys, this particular bag, like I said, is just been on my list forever. I'm glad I got it because again, they have the Fleming bags in a Tory Burch collection. However, it's going to be with the 2 grommets on the top, and you have a shoulder bag, or a shoulder strap rather, so it's a shoulder bag. Whereas I wanted this particular clutch. I might go ahead and get the shoulder bag as well, but I don't know when I'm going to do that because this is going to be the last unboxing that you see, because I'm waiting until probably Christmas, like the holidays, to see what, you know, most of the brands have out. And then I have a few things on my wish list that I'm really looking to get. So I kind of have to dial it back a little bit, but that's okay. So either which way, you guys, this is the bag. Again, it's the Tory Burch Soft Fleming clutch. You have this pin snap closure, very easy to get in, very easy to close. You do have an interior zipper that's right here, and you have this one open compartment that's right there. So yeah, you can't go wrong with it. I love the way it feels. Like I said before, it's really cute. Everything about this bag is adorable. So really quickly, let me kind of run down the dimensions for you guys. Going across in length is going to be 9.6 inches in length. You're going to actually have 7.2 inches in height, and you're going to have 1.6 inches in depth. So like I said before, this bag can actually hold a lot. And literally, I would say if you're going out, it's a girl night, if it's a girl's night out, if it's like a date night, whatever it is, you literally only need a few things because this bag is really lightweight. So once you start putting things in there, it is going to get a little bit heavy, but it's not going to be unbearable. All right. So you're going to probably have, like, you know, your keys, your card holder, some cash, your phone. It fits it all because you can see the opening. So it doesn't matter what you have, whether it's a larger iPhone, a larger Android, doesn't matter. It's going to fit. You're good to go. You close it up, kind of just put it right under your arm, and you're good. And you're good. So it literally, you guys, this bag is so cute. I'm glad I got it. So yeah, she's so cute. So either which way, you guys, something I can knock off of my wish list because I got her. So again, one left in this tiramisu color. Of course, if you don't see it anymore on the website, you guys know that you can always go secondhand, get it from there. You might get it a little bit cheaper as well, you know? So yeah. All right, you guys, that is it. Quick, easy, to the point, simple. My Tory Burch bag unboxing. It is in that beautiful tiramisu color and lambskin. It is a soft Fleming clutch. And again, I'm glad I got it. I might go ahead and do probably what fits in there on Instagram. So if you're not following me, you guys, go ahead and go over there and follow me on Instagram, because I'm kind of like doing a lot over there. All right. Or I'm trying to. So follow me over there, subscribe over here, and we can kind of just coexist everywhere. All right. So either which way, that is it. Comment, like, share, and most definitely, you guys, subscribe. If you have not already, I would appreciate it very much. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.